God bless America, whether it is Chile, Argentina, Uruguay. Bad Bunny listed over 20 American nations during the Super Bowl halftime show. And this statement was not just a shout-out. It was intentional and carried a message. Your reporter was asked to explain his phenomena. And even if I don't usually listen to reggaeton/Latin/trap/everything, I have to tell you, it is big. So why everyone in Europe is talking about Bad Bunny? Short answer, because he made history. He became the first artist ever to perform the Super Bowl show, which is the most watched event on US television, entirely in Espanol. And on doing so, Bad Bunny, the world's most played artist on Spotify last year, flipped the script. And millions watched his performance, but not everyone was dancing. Donald Trump hated, calling it absolutely terrible and complaining that nobody understands a word this guy is saying. And that's exactly the point Bad Bunny was making. He isn't just a singer, he is a cultural earthquake, challenging what it sounds like to be American. And as you might have guessed, it's not just about music, it's about identity.
Before I say thanks to God, I'm gonna say eyes out. We're not savage, we're not animals, we're not aliens, we are humans and we are Americans.
While Trump's base sees the Spanish language as a threat, Bad Bunny puts it center stage. And this year he's bringing his tour to Europe. And what if you are not into reggaeton? You can always go back to your millennial Green Day, who also opened the show. And Trump hates them too, which seems to be a solid recommendation these days.